Creative Arts Middle School, or as we call it, CAMS, is here to bring you another video from our middle school design team. Today, the designer is Lexie. Lexie is a NASCAR fan. She's going to show you how she painted Ryan Blaney's race car using Silks Acrylic Glazes on top of some plain acrylic paints, and she used Silks Acrylic Glazes on top of those to create a nice shimmer in her work. She planned her design on an 11 by 14 inch canvas using pencil. Let's watch as she uses ordinary acrylic paint with no shimmer in it whatsoever to paint in the background, and then she'll switch over to COLOURARTE'S Silks Acrylic Glazes to give her canvas a wonderful shimmer. And now for the stars of our show. Lexie begins to add her Silks Acrylic Glazes. She not only uses these in layers, but she also fills some of the areas with the shimmery paints to give just the right sparkle to a shiny race car scene. It may be a little hard to see in this lighting, but COLOURARTE has iridescent colors in Silks Acrylic Glazes, and she can give the white areas that the spaces that she left unpainted, a slight shimmer also, just by painting them in with the iridescent colors, such as iridescent reds and iridescent greens, iridescent violets. When one layer dries a bit, she can add a bit more sparkle by going over it with a second layer. The nice part is it's not glittery. It's just a slight shimmer that gives your painting just a little pizzazz. As Lexie finishes her painting, I'd like to remind you that this design team is made of girls that are teens and tweens. They're new at this, and all of the support that you can give them would be wonderful. Also, go to COLOURARTE.com and check out their paints. COLOURARTE is our sponsor. And give us a thumbs up, a comment. I always share the comments with the girls. Thumbs up, comments, share these videos so that we can get recommended to other viewers. We appreciate your views and hope that you'll return to see more CAMS videos. Thank you so much for your support.